How to order Apple MacBook Air M3. Following weeks of speculation, Apple has officially unveiled its latest additions to the MacBook lineup today. The 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Air M3 models, both featuring the M3 chipset. The introduction of the M3 chipset marks the most significant update for these notebooks, aligning them with the latest MacBook Pros and 24-inch iMac, all of which transitioned to Apple's latest silicone at the end of 2023. Both new MacBook Air models are now available for order on Apple's website and other retailers, starting at $1,099 with in-store availability set for March 8th. With the debut of these new machines, Apple has discontinued the M1-powered Air from its online store, while the starting price of the MacBook Air M2 has been reduced to $999. Apple claims that the M3 MacBook Airs will deliver up to 60% faster performance than the M1-powered model and up to 13 times faster than older Airs equipped with Intel chips. Speed and efficiency are the primary highlights here, as the MacBook Air specifications remain largely unchanged. The new 13-inch and 15-inch notebooks feature octa-core CPUs and support up to 10-core GPU and offer up to 24 GB of RAM and up to 2 TB of internal storage. Notably, the base 13-inch MacBook Air M3 shares the same starting specifications as its M2 predecessor, 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Display specifications remain consistent across both models, featuring a liquid retina panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1664 and up to 500 nits of brightness. Additional enhancements on the M3-powered MacBook Airs include support for Wi-Fi 6E and the ability to connect up to 2 external displays with the lid closed. This latter feature is particularly beneficial for multitaskers and individuals using the new Air as their primary workstation, requiring multiple external displays in their setup. Color options have been retained from the M2 version, with the 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Airs with M3 available in Midnight, Space Gray, Starlight, and Silver. While the M2 Air is now positioned as the budget option in the lineup, the M1 machine remains available, at least for now, through other retailers like Amazon, where it could be found for as low as $750.